This is a bridge. It's pissing down still. Whoa. That is so cool. Hello.
Halo bro.
Apa kabarmu?
Baik.
Bagus. We're gonna go do some grocery shopping because, I haven't said anything about it. Tomorrow is a thing called Nyepi Day, which is like a silent day where the whole country shuts down. And Bram and Yana and Emma got a villa, so they invited us to kick back there because here will just be empty. We're gonna get some groceries all supplied up. Say again?
Te Rangatiratanga, brother.
I can't dodge this guy if I try. Literally, I was over there and I see him walk in. What are you doing, you lunatic? Mi hermano.
Camera. Freak out, lose my mind. It's game time.
Look at this, bro. This is fun. That's the queue.
I love this shit.
I was literally thinking about you when I was in here. And Connor in the supermarket, and he just said,
I wish I bought a deck chair.
yeah, you wish you bought a dick chair.
Chair, mate.
That's a dick chair.
Deck chair.
We clutched up, we got our shit done, but Bram hasn't finished buying his groceries, so I got the fucking unit on the back of mine.
Hey, we got the fucking rugby player.
It's gonna be nice with a solid 90 kilo counterweight on the back of my scooter.
What happens on the days where you don't do anything?
The video's shorter.
Nice.
Did a little water run,
Oh yeah.
and then we were leaving, and this bop literally just turned on, and I was thinking, I want to stay here, and then the girls were like, shall we sit here? And I said, fucking oath. It's the night, 28th, the night of the 20th, I don't know what fucking day it is. So I'm heading to the villa now, it's about 8 o'clock. All the homies are already there, and I just got told we're going to go to some parades. I'm moving pretty heavy. Got a bag of clothes, got groceries under the seat, got some extra food. I'm fucking frothing. Every time I go on the scooter, I'm like bare bones, absolutely nothing. I could literally travel anywhere with all the stuff I got right now. So it's sick. Down here with my new friends. Do you want to say hi? Hello. And we're down here at the little festival.
The parade.
The parade, I meant. Thank you. I knew it wasn't the right word.
Go-go parade.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
Tell me about it.
I don't know nothing about it.
Okay, cool. That's good. Okay.
Like Balinese people try to attract the negative energies. So because tomorrow is like the silent day, so they trick the ghosts. They want like the ghosts to come.
Yeah.
And then like they trick them that now no one is here because it's completely silent.
Wow. That's cool as. All the power lines in Bali are pretty gnarly. So they're gonna move them around, which is pretty epic. Fucking hell, that thing is massive. Whoa. That is so cool. Woo. Walking behind the parade now. So insane. I wish I knew what was going on here, but I have absolutely no idea. Girls. Woo! Alright, so that was sick. I had no idea what the fuck was going on. But honestly, from what I heard, I couldn't have said it better myself. I think we've really nailed the evil spirits this year. Or, I don't know. Anyway, it was really cool and I enjoyed it. So it's good to see that culture.
Still going.
It's good to learn. Although next time, I think it'd be really cool to get like an Indonesian friend who can explain it to me because I was just filled with questions.
We don't know shit.
Yeah. Anyway, I loved it. It's a cool experience. So shout out Bali and Nyepi Day. Just editing this video and thought I'd acknowledge how ridiculous it is to say shout out Bali and shout out Nyepi Day. But anyway, cheers guys. Shout out all the pair. Stinky, slunky, slunken, fucking. Keep going, keep talking.
Ik hou van jou.
Turns out Perk is Dutch, so I don't know if I've been saying this in the video, but everyone I've been meeting lately is Dutch. I'm like a magnet. And she's the most Australian person I've met here. And then 15 minutes into a conversation with Bram, she said she's Dutch. And then they started talking Dutch. And then I've just been in the dark ever since. But we're back at the hostel because it's the only place that's open. And we're frothing. Alright, this is the villa we got. Connor's having a shit. Oh no, it's Brum having a shit show. There's a temple here. Awkwardly stand in the rain just for a little vlog clip, so get a little thumbs up.
Is this the fucking click right?
Oh, you should be a fucking vlogger. Perk has made a last minute decision. She's going to join us at the villa. So she's kitting up because we're going to go get her gear from the hostel. I'm just rocking the boardies because they never fail in the rain. It's going to be cold.
He's a gentleman and he's driving with her now.
Nothing like
Without his shirt?
nothing. Yeah, because I'll just.
Cold.
No, I'll be right.
Oh my god.
I'm running.
You should have seen us. We
Fucking
rode
crazy.
an hour back from Kuta to Canggu in the pouring rain.
That's true, yeah.
It was fucking freezing. But it was cool. It was good content. Woo. This is a bridge. And it's about 80 meters above the creek. Does that make sense? Just crossed the river and it's fucking flooded. That's crazy. Why is that river? I mean, bridge, not river. Bridges, why would bridges flood? It's pissing down still. I don't know how the fuck a bridge floods. That's like kind of the opposite. Anyway,
It's great. We're loving life.
yeah, we're tanking it. It's sick. We're frothing. Hello. Made it. It was pretty freezing. You know how much I love a bit of a mission, so that was sick. Time to have a hot shower and go to bed. Yo! Happy Nyeppy Day! Woo! I slept like shit! Let's fucking go! Woo! I brought the Vegemite from Canggu and then I got toast yesterday, but I got here and there was no toaster, so I was fucking gutted. But improvised, making toast in a pan, and it's epic. Look at that. This is off the charts. It's actually cooking the bread better than a toaster does. So I'm so stoked. Look at that. Rasta sauna, Rasta toast, Rasta corner, Rasta jar of Vegemite Pondem Bombo Clot. So it's the night. We've had a pretty cruisy day. Hung around the pool. Did a bit of drinking. I've had 8 slices of toast because that's all I bought. But luckily everyone's hooking me up with food. Not that I need it, but they're just so lovely and caring that they give it to me anyway. I had a nap, uploaded that vlog 17. Except we run out of water, so that's pretty fucked, but...
Sad days.
Nah, we'll be right. That's what the beers are for. That wraps up Nyeppy Day night. Silent day. I mean, we did alright. We were a bit loud, but... Actually, no, we weren't even. We were fucking mint. Anyway, 6 a.m. tomorrow. We get to rejoin the world and go for a wave, maybe. Have some fun. But we're off to bed now.
No me dejes, Guajira, que llore, tu ausencia no me dejes, Guajira,